Hey everyone, this is the third video of the Fiscal Policy series, which is part of Unit 2.4 of the IB Macroeconomic Syllabus. In this video, I'm going to be talking about automatic stabilizers that are incorporated in fiscal policy, as well as the impact of fiscal policy on potential output. So let's get started. So basically, most modern economies will have a progressive tax system, which is a tax system whereby when your income rises, the percentage you pay in taxes also increases, and will provide some form of unemployment benefits. I'm generally talking about developed economies here. Now, the progressive tax system and unemployment benefits are generally influenced by the level of economic activity and national income. When the economy booms, for example, tax revenue will automatically rise because people's incomes are rising, they're paying more in taxes, and government spending on unemployment benefits will automatically fall. Remember, these are automatic changes, so they're not changes that are made directly by the government. That's just automatic. And the opposite is true. When during recessions, tax revenue will automatically fall and government spending on unemployment benefits will automatically rise. These are sometimes referred to as automatic stabilizers. These automatic stabilizers, they help stabilize any short-term fluctuations in economic activity. And that is one of the advantages of having progressive tax systems and unemployment benefits. They create sort of automatic buffers or automatic stabilizers that help stabilize the short-term fluctuations in the level of economic activity. Also, some people believe that fiscal policy only affects aggregate demand, but that is not very accurate. A lot of economists ask, well, can fiscal policy also affect potential output? Yes, absolutely. Government spending can be used to promote long-term economic growth and to increase potential output. The government can spend money on promoting economic growth and increasing potential output. This can be done indirectly by maybe creating an economic environment that is favorable to private investment. Many countries have created environments that encouraged private investors to invest. Or it can be done directly by government spending on physical capital and human capital, or by the provision of incentives for private firms to invest. So fiscal policy can and is often also used to affect the level of potential output and encourage long-term economic growth. It's not just used to manage aggregate demand in the short term. So essentially, when a government adopts an expansionary fiscal policy that includes maybe increased spending on infrastructure like building highways, building airports, building roads, increased spending on education and healthcare and other merit goods, and also providing incentives for firms to invest like subsidies and grants, this type of spending will, in the short run, increase aggregate demand and shift AD from AD to ADSR. But in the long run, it will also increase short-run aggregate supply and long-run aggregate supply, because this type of spending will increase the economy's productive capacity and hence its potential output. So in the short run, aggregate demand will increase, but in the long run, SRAS will shift to SRAS-LR, and LRAS will shift to LRAS-LR. So yes, fiscal policy can be used to promote long-term economic growth and increase the economy's potential output and productive capacity. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.